That's good to hear, Tom. Holy shit. Sorry. That actually does make me cough. Yeah, I was doing that on purpose. Oh, yes, sir. If you know, you know.